So, hello everyone, welcome back. This is HunMoc, and for today's video, it's all about the basic part which I had for this week's project, which was the farm. And for those who haven't seen, I posted a couple of days ago this tractor, which was my inspiration for this project. And I always follow the strict rules about to have a basic version on the layout, and then I'm gonna post another one which will be the advanced in a couple of days. So what I have done, I have built a little farmhouse, added some animals, and made, like always, my restriction 32 by 32 to have some challenge. And it is a big challenge, I tell you that, because you usually want to be a much larger set or anything, but when you have restriction, then it gets much harder. Anyway, we're gonna have a little close-up on this building, and you can see how I did it and what I did, and I'm gonna have a little quick review on it, and then I will have a little twist for this video, and that is I have hidden the little Yoda from Star Wars somewhere in the building. So you can check it up as the close-up. If you see where I have hidden it, please put it in the comments. So let's get started to have a little close-up, and then we demolish it and I build it like always. So let's go. What I have done is that I put it like a little country road just right over here. And of course, what would a farm be without a dog, a cow, and of course the little pig? I have used, and this is where like the farmland for the corn or something. I don't really know. I think I'm gonna add it for the advanced mode. I have made a strictly basic farmhouse. I had a little issue with the roof, but I have a great idea for the advanced one. So it's gonna be a little different, but it's gonna follow this red with white on the side and for each little floors. But I had a little challenge, but I have a great idea how I'm gonna fix that. So and I was thinking of also to add like a little river or something for the next one. I have used a really basic like a roof, but my thinking was to make like the roof goes just right over here. But I will see. I'm gonna give you something really good, guys. So it's gonna be awesome. So I hooked it up like this one. I think it's kind of a good, but I realized that this one need to be something round for the next version, but it's gonna be really cool, guys. And here is the cow, and I think she's kind of a lonely, so I'm gonna add more animals. But I think for the basic version, I think it's pretty good to have like a idea what it's gonna be like. But I think I really think to have a little river or something, or a little bridge or something just right over here. But as you know, there is a restriction for 32 by 32, which always challenge me because you want a lot of things, but it's so small to build it. So that's the real challenge, and this is what the channel is all about. But this gives you a little more heads up, and it gives a little thinking what this cool awesome set should have, like a awesome background and some environment around it. So I'm gonna demolish it and build it one more time for you, and stay tuned. Okay, then we are done one more time. I hope you liked it, and I hope you found the little Yoda. Please put it in the comment, and I'm gonna have a little twist for every video, so stay tuned for it. And in a couple of days, I think on Friday I'm gonna post the advanced one for this week, and it's gonna be really cool. I already started to build it, so hit the subscribe button so you don't miss that, and put a like, and I will see you in a couple of days. Thank you for watching this, and take care everyone. Bye bye.